Hi, I'm Paige Deers. I'm here at the Cornet Global Conference in Atlanta speaking with experts, and I'm here with Sahil. Sahil is in India and does a lot of business really helping corporations find the right fit in that country. That's certainly a country in demand, Sahil. What are you seeing as far as both domestic growth from the local companies and multinationals coming into India? Is that still a big trend?
It continues to be a big trend in India. The economy in India is growing at about 7 to 8% year on year, which shows that the fundamentals in the economy is pretty strong. The good thing about India is that it's a good mix of both the local domestic demand as well as demand coming from outside. And to give you an example, let's look at some of multinationals and their portfolios in India. So the largest one being IBM, which has got about 11 to 12 million square feet across the country. The second largest one being Accenture, which is about 7 to 8 million square feet. Now let's look at the Indian counterparts, companies like Infosys, HCL, having very similar portfolios. And we believe that at the way we are witnessing the trend today, in the next 3 years, they could be doubling their portfolio, they could be doubling the number of people that they're employing.
Well, that's a good sign. That means that India still has a big flux of knowledge workers. Is the country's infrastructure really improving to keep up speed with this demand?
Well, I think infrastructure has been a bottleneck, and that's where the government has been reactive. Now, you know that India is one of the largest democracies, and probably that's one of the follies for being a democratic government and a country. Now, the policy that government has been reactive in most of the states, but it's picking up. So places like Delhi, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, they're all moving up the growth curve as far as infrastructure is concerned, but that's an area for us to improve upon.
Well, it sounds like there's opportunities there, but are we still seeing the kind of demand coming from U.S. corporates over there? And what really makes India so attractive still?
Well, there are a lot of reasons why India is attractive, and just to tell you the percentage of the U.S. corporates that are growing in India today is about 66% of the total absorption. This is on the leased portfolio. The Indian companies, on the other hand, they're buying more real estate, so this is a bit skewed when it comes to comparing Indian corporates and US corporates doing business in India. Because if you add the portfolio which is being owned, then probably Indian corporates are doing more business than US corporates today in India. But that does not take away the fact that US is very big and important market, 66% market share on the leasing side of business. And the reason why they continue to grow in India is that still there is a lot of arbitrage as far as cost is concerned, whether it's the cost of labor or it's the cost of real estate. So I think that keeps the companies really interested in coming to India, and especially given the quality and the quantum of talent which is available. I think that's again a very key criteria for companies choosing to be in India.
Okay, so it sounds like India is going to continue to be one of the areas that corporates really look for the knowledge workers, like you said, the improving infrastructure, and just the opportunities that you have there in the country. Thank you for sharing your insights with us.
Thank you very much.